Blue tang fish. Blue tangs can heal tiny scratches on their fins in just a few hours. Pufferfish. Pufferfish fill with air or water to turn into floating spiky balls. Starfish. Starfish can regrow a whole new arm if one gets lost. Shark. Some sharks glow in the dark to blend in with the ocean light. Turtle. Turtles use Earth's magnetic field like a built-in GPS to find their way home. Crab. Crabs walk sideways because their legs bend only one way. Penguin. Penguins take turns keeping eggs warm on icy ground. Octopus. An octopus can change color and texture to disappear like a magician. Clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones that protect them from other fish. Lobster. Lobsters never stop growing and can live to be over 100 years old. Seahorse. Male seahorses carry the babies and give birth. How cool is that? Polar bear. A polar bear's fur looks white, but each hair is actually clear. Snail. Snails move slowly, but can climb straight up walls with sticky slime. Fish. Some fish can swim backward as easily as they go forward. Spider crab. Spider crabs decorate themselves with seaweed to hide from danger. Turtle. Some turtles can breathe through their bottoms underwater. Crab. Crabs use bubbles to keep their gills wet when they're out of the ocean. Stingray. Stingrays flap their fins like wings, gliding through the sea like birds. Dolphin. Dolphins sleep with one eye open so they can watch for predators. Squid. Squids have 3 hearts and can shoot ink to escape danger. Sperm whale. Sperm whales dive deeper than any other mammal, over a mile down. Seal. Seals use their whiskers to feel fish moving in dark water. Crocodile. Crocodiles grow new teeth all their lives, up to 3,000 in a lifetime. Walrus. A walrus's tusks can grow as long as a baseball bat and help it climb ice. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs line up to trade shells when they outgrow their homes.